Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 42, Enrollment Search Filter Data to Database using Eloquent Model Laravel 12. And this is a tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website service related services the +919941599815. This is available. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is already run. This my Chrome browser inside this is already run. Let's Eloquent inside this implementation search bar filter, and this is my database name. This database name, and inside this joint query is a implementation step by step. This is a joint query is a implementation loading data. Please wait. The student ID and class ID. In this student ID means this is student table and class table inside this available, and this is already available LX and 50. Successfully working in this my project XAMPP directory inside this htdoc directory, and this project is inside this open. First of all, this resource view super admin enrollment and this list. Let's inside this search box start search start copy end and save file. Successfully search start and end, and this is inside this implementation. This is inside this implementation step by step. Let's div start and this close this. From is a get method is a implementation from get method. Div is a create. This is a div. And successfully set. Let's inside this is the input text ID value request ID, and this is a class form controller placeholder ID. Save file. Let's refresh this page refresh. Successfully one box is the implementation ID. This is a one box implementation. Let's next is a student name. Student name next box is implement. Same name is a copy and paste here. Same name copy and paste here. Second is a student name. This is the same name copy student, and inside this is a enter this other student name, and this is the ID is a pass here. Same name ID and this pass here, and this is ID pass here. Successfully pass. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a show. This is enter student name and ID. This all good, and this is a database of first of all this ID. Second is a student underscore ID. Third is a class underscore ID. 2 is a implementation this ID. Second is a this ID. This third is a class ID. Same name is a class ID. Same name is a class ID. And this is a name is a class name. This name is a class number, not a name number. Same name is a copy and paste here. Save file. Third is the implementation enrollment date. Same name copy, and this is the enrollment date. This same name copy and paste here enrollment date. And this placeholder is not a use, and this is a date function is a set. This is a date. Save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is a date is available. All good. This is enrollment date. Last is a submit button and reset button is a 2 button is a implement implementation. This is submit. First is a submit search button. First the search button is a implementation. Same name is a copy and paste here. M2 is a remove. This is M2 is a remove. MB and div is a create. Let's a tag is a create a tag sref class btn warning reset. Save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is all good. Let's click this reset, but same URL is a copy and inside this paste here. This is the URL and this paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Working fine. Let's click this reset and working fine. All good. Let's search bar is start, and this first of all this is the ID available. Second is a student ID. This is a class ID and environment date. This successfully all name is available. This name is inside this include date. This ID, student ID, class ID and environment date. This record is a get. Same here route is a copy. This is a list route inside this copy and web.php open route inside this web.open. Successfully this is available. Enrollment controller class index function is available controller inside this enrollment controller. This is an environment controller and inside this available. This is an add index function. Same name is a get record, and this is a inside this forest loop is a start for less. Same name is this is a model is a open. This model environment model, and this is a model inside this is available get record. Good working. Let's step by step. Either inside this is available already. Join query is a implementation, and this same name is a copy. This is a copy and paste here. The simple paste here, and this is the implementation step by step. This paste here and this step by step. Search start and end if is empty request get. First is the ID, second first is available. This is the same name is a cut and paste here ID. Return the same name $return. This is a $return is equal to $return where is available. This is a table is a environment table. Inside this available ID is equal to same name. This is a name is a copy and paste here. If is empty request second is available student underscore ID. $return is equal to $return where in this is available submit means this is available student dot name like percentage dot again percentage, and this is a close, and this is the same name is a copy and paste here. Same name copy paste here. Next is the implementation class ID, same name copy and paste, and this is a class ID. This is available. This is a classroom same here, paste here, successfully paste. third is the implementation. This is the name is the environment date, student, and this paste here, save file. Successfully all implementation. This working fine, and this is the extra is not used. Let's remove and save file. Step by step all working fine. Let's request already use, request, save file. And this is any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. This is available inside this. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram, and Skype. I am always available. This is all lost of project is available, and this is by. And any doubt, so please contact. This is my contact form. This is always available. Otherwise, this number is available. All good. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram, and GitHub. Let's reset this button. Click this, and this is refresh this page. 100% good. This is a number is a 3 number is available. So let's implement 9 number and click this search. So this is not available. Let's 3 number is a search to show you 100% 3 number is available in database. Only 1 record is available. Let's new record is a create. Let's new record Zohan select 50, and this is a date is inside this date is a submit. Successfully this is a implementation. 50 is a remove, and this is 01 and submit. And this is a click this reset button, and this successfully available. Let's 4 number is a research, and 100% is available. Let's 3 number is a search, so this is 100% is available. Let's reset this button. Next is a Zohan search, Zohan and search, so 100% is available. Inside this is a CV and search and not available. This is a LX and search. This is available LX. Good working. This is inside this 50 is a search. This is 100% is a working fine. Let's 40 is a search, and this is not available. Let's 01 is a search, so this is a shortcut is available. All good. This is a date is a implementation. This is a 15, and this is implementation not available. Let's issue is a show. Let's check this is a wait. This is the issue available. Let's check. This is the environment date student. This is the environment date where request, and database date is a get, and this is the environment date. Same name, copy and paste here. And this is a student not table, and this is an environment table. This is an environment table successfully inside that's my misstanding, and this is a good working. Let's refresh this reset button, click this, and implementation. This is a 23 and search, and this is a not available. Let's 30 is a search, and 100% is available. Let's good working. Let's 15 is a search, and this is a not available. Let's 11 search, and 100% is a show. Good working. This is the all implementation, insert, update, delete. And this video is available. This video is a 42, and this is the inside this already implementation 41, 40, and this is all step by step. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a part is a 5. Part is a 5. This is a total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 part is uploaded, and this is a part is a 5. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.